Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure taxes in Zoho Inventory. Setting up your tax rates correctly is essential for accurate invoicing and staying compliant with tax regulations. So let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your main dashboard where you can access all the key features for managing your inventory and finances. Now, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find all the configuration options for your account. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. In the settings menu, you'll notice several sections. What you're looking for is the section labeled Taxes and Compliance. Under this section, click on Taxes. This is the area where you can create, edit, and manage all the tax rates that apply to your business transactions. Once you're in the Taxes section, you'll see a button that says New Tax with a plus sign. Click on this button to start creating a new tax rate. This opens up a form where you'll input all the details for your specific tax. The first field you'll need to fill in is the tax name. This is where you'll enter the type of tax you're setting up, such as VAT, sales tax, or whatever tax applies to your region and business. Make sure the name is clear and recognizable so you can easily identify it when creating invoices later. Next, move to the rate field. Here you'll enter the tax percentage. Simply type in the numerical value, for example. If your sales tax is 8%, just enter 8. Zoho will automatically apply this percentage to the relevant transactions. Now, there's an important option you might need to consider. Look for the checkbox labeled compound rate. If the tax you're setting up needs to be calculated on top of another tax, meaning it compounds with existing taxes, then check this box. If it's a straightforward single tax rate, you can leave it unchecked. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save button. This will add the tax to your Zoho Inventory system, and it will now be available for you to apply to products, invoices, and sales orders. You've now successfully configured your tax settings, making your invoicing process smoother and compliant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.